What if a tiny chip in your brain could turn you into a superhuman? Smarter, faster, and able to control gadgets with just a thought. In 2025, a mind-blowing brain chip breakthrough is making this sci-fi dream real. I'm here to explain it super simply so anyone can get it. Stick with me, because we're about to dive into a tech revolution that's got scientists and dreamers buzzing. Here's the big news. In 2025, a company called Neurosync dropped a bombshell with their next-generation brain-computer interface, or BCI, that's pushing human brains to new heights. This tiny chip, smaller than a dime, can be implanted in your brain to boost memory, speed up thinking, and let you control phones, computers, or even robots just by thinking. It's not just for sci-fi fans. This tech is already changing lives and could transform how we all work, learn, and live. So, what's a brain chip? Picture a super small device that links your brain to a computer. It's like a bridge between your thoughts and the digital world. The chip has tiny electrodes, think mini wires, that pick up signals from your brain's neurons, the cells that handle thinking and movement. Those signals go to a computer, which turns them into actions, like typing a message or moving a cursor. It's like giving your brain a superpower to talk to tech without moving a muscle. What makes Neurosync's 2025 chip so incredible? It's way ahead of older models. It has thousands of electrodes, so it can read and send brain signals with amazing precision. It's also safer, using a less invasive implant method, like slipping a tiny stent through a blood vessel. Plus, it's powered by AI that learns how your brain works, getting smarter and faster the more you use it. In early tests, people memorized huge lists instantly, solved complex problems quicker, and even played video games with their minds. It's like upgrading your brain to a high-speed computer. Why is this such a big deal? This tech could help millions. For people with paralysis from injuries or diseases like ALS, it can restore abilities, like moving a robotic arm or typing by thinking. Early trials showed someone typing 90 words a minute just with their thoughts. But it's not just for medical use. Neurosync says healthy people could use it to boost memory, learn faster, or connect to the internet directly. Imagine recalling every fact you've studied or controlling your smart home with a thought. It's like unlocking a hidden level of your brain. How does it work? The chip is implanted in a quick procedure, often using a robot for pinpoint accuracy. It sits in the brain's motor cortex for movement or other areas for memory and thinking. The electrodes catch your brain's signals, and a small device outside your skull sends them to a computer or phone. The AI translates your thoughts into actions, learning to get better over time. It's like teaching your brain to speak a new digital language. This breakthrough builds on earlier work, like Neuralink's implants or Synchron's stent-based BCIs. But Neurosync's chip is a game-changer because it's more powerful, safer, and easier to use. In 2025, they've started trials with hundreds of people, showing results that stunned scientists. One user said it felt like their brain was supercharged, letting them do things they never imagined. It's like the brain just got a turbo boost. What's next? Neurosync is scaling up trials, aiming for wider use by 2027. They're working on a wireless version, so no external device is needed. Scientists are also exploring how it could treat brain disorders like Alzheimer's or depression by boosting memory or mood. But there are challenges, privacy concerns, like who gets access to your brain data, and ethical questions, like whether superhuman brains could create unfair advantages. These are big issues we'll need to tackle as this tech grows. This tech changes how we think about being human. Could we all have super brains one day? It's not just about controlling devices, it's about unlocking our full potential. Imagine learning a language in days, solving problems like a genius, or even sharing thoughts directly with others. It's like stepping into a future where humans evolve into something extraordinary. This is why science is so thrilling. It's about pushing what's possible. If you could upgrade your brain, what would you do with it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to Science Ion for more epic science discoveries. Let's keep exploring the future together.